Hey guys, just got this shipped in. Now it did come in a box, however, the package was inside the box. It was kind of weird because they could have just sent it out like this. Anyways, I did get it from Costco. This is the 16 packs. Let's just unbox it all. And that's it. Wait, inside of it, it comes like that. And it's the 16 pack. So they literally sent you 16 total. And that's it. So that's how they sent you these guys. It's not like a huge package of 16 batteries. They just sent you a few of these and they call it a 16 pack. Now that would be different than any other packs that you would see around where they ship them in boxes and it's just the batteries inside boxes. This is just a 16 pack and they come around to be a pretty good price. Now the reason why I found out about these batteries was when I used to do photography. I was looking something for my flash and I did get the pro ones, and these ones also work really well because the flash requires so much power to recharge and the batteries won't die out fast. So that's why I bought these. Now, you know, the thing about this, that they're supposed to hold their charge 70% at least for 10 years, right? I'm not sure about that. I haven't had these for 10 years yet, so I'm not sure. I can't really review that yet. However, I can review them. I've had these similar ones for now about 4 years and they're still good, very good. Favorite batteries for sure. Energizer batteries do not compare nothing to these type of batteries, by the way. So I also have Energizer batteries, rechargeables for other stuff, and it's almost a waste of money because it's just better to spend a little bit more, get these guys, and then you have them for a longer time. Let's just open this up. Oh yeah, the back of the packaging. I forgot to show you guys that. So this is the information they get on the back. So I know some of you are watching this just to see if the batteries that you maybe order online are legit batteries or not. Well, I can only tell you it's kind of hard to notice if you're getting legit batteries or not. However, I will show you around this battery, which is 100% legit. And you will see that it's made in Japan. It's not supposed to be made in China, by the way. And there you go. So that's all the information right around it. However, even if it says made in Japan, like, it's hard to notice if they're real or not. Again, these are the real ones because I got them from Costco. You can see the packaging and everything. Other ones, they may get them in boxes. It's kind of harder. The only way that I usually tell you guys to know where it's a cheap battery or a good battery is how much weight they got to it. So this has okay weight to it. The really cheap ones don't weigh at all. And you'll notice that between rechargeable batteries or even regular batteries. The really cheap ones do not weigh at all. So yes, these are double A's. They are in fact excellent batteries. And that would be it for this quick unboxing. I mean, it's just an unboxing. Showed you guys around the batteries, how they look like, top, bottom, all the way around, so you guys can look at the details of the box as well. There's not much on the box information-wise, but that would be it. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.